Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy ARIA IP token on Binance Alpha. So ARIA just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After you sign in, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search ARIA IP. ARIA IP, search it and go to Alpha tab here, and this one you can click it, and then as you can see, this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, it's not really bad, but maybe there is some opportunities to break out, but this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. So you can see the details here. You can see the 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is good, I think, 11 millions. And also you can check their website and their social media. Also you can check their audits here. You can read it, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click chart here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order. You can put the price you want to buy like this, just for example, and then the amount here. And also you can choose instant buy here. You can swap your BNB or other token to ARIA IP token. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.